Hi folks, I'm just going to quickly show you around a terrific condition 2018 Peugeot Boxer 335 welfare van that we've just taken in. This one's a one owner vehicle, covered just 49,000 miles from new, with full service history, supplied by us with a fresh service, 2 keys and an MOT away until May of next year. As you can see, this one has the reflective stripe to the side, chevrons on the rear doors, a rear step with tow bar, a reversing camera and beacons to the roof. We also have a electric folding step at the side door. All of this can be removed if it suits your needs better. Clearly this is a very versatile van, but it also makes a fantastic base for a camper conversion, so for anyone looking to have that stuff removed, it can all be done in-house, not a problem. It's clearly been very well looked after, super clean and tidy in here. Same again in the rear. It has Webasto heating, as you can see, microwave, hot water and sink in the rear, and 2 double passenger seats with a centre table. Toilet to the rear again with sink, hot and cold water supply, water tank in the rear too, along with the dirty water bottle there. So super clean and tidy again, clearly not been hard worked. Just 49,111 miles from new, with full service history and one owner from new. For any more details or to arrange a viewing, please contact us on 01738 44 7733. Thanks again.